Part 2. The law. So what actual laws are they proposing? What will the government actually have the legal power to do?
An ACMA official, they look at these things. This is the existing standards by which current newspapers, current TV shows, current radio shows are judged. There is no change to the criteria.
So they want to apply the existing ACMA standards to the internet. What are the existing standards? Anything that has not yet been classified and that a reasonable adult thinks needs a classification may not be distributed in this country until such a time that it has been classified. So let me break that down for you. You're giving them the power to block anything they want, as long as they can say that a reasonable adult thinks that the website in question should have a classification. Any kind of classification. They won't need a judge, they won't need a court order, they won't need any evidence to block your website. If this law goes through, that is the power that you are giving the government. But that's okay, because Stephen Conroy says that it's not his intention to block anything except the real nasty stuff. And he's going to be completely responsible to make sure the government doesn't do a dodgy on us.
I'm not seeking to be in charge of this, and I'm not actually in charge of this.
Oh, but wait, there's more.
So we're currently in discussions with Google at the moment, filter an enormous amount of material on behalf of the Chinese government. And what we're saying is, well, in Australia, these are our laws and we'd like you to apply our laws.
Oh. Let's try and asking a yes or no question.
Will small-breasted women's websites be banned from the new filter?
Look, I think I've seen some claims by the sex party who made those claims. They were very confused claims. I did read that article and I was completely confused by the claim. I understand that it's inaccurate. I really was struggling to understand the argument being put forward by the sex party.
So he didn't understand what they were saying, but he knows they're wrong. Why couldn't he just answer the question instead of blabbing on about crap? Fiona Patton from the Australian Sex Party asked Mr. Conroy if her members' websites would still be blacklisted from the filter, as they are currently on the ACMA's blacklist.
People again keep confusing between what we're proposing and what is actually on the existing blacklist.
Right.
On the existing blacklist. These were categories created by the former government and they're the current law. You cannot repeal this. Even if the Labor Party decided it wanted to try and change this, it actually won't pass the Senate.
No, but what you're choosing is totally different from a blacklist that's listed to that's advised, that filters are advised about, to a mandatory list. And I think that you might find that members of the opposition may actually consider this a very different proposal to the one that they enacted.
I don't speak on behalf of the opposition. That's their existing policy.
Yeah.
If they want to change it, then I'm sure you'd welcome that.
Senator, protector of the children.
Stop it, you're giving him in a... Wanna know why we really need the filter? You'll have to wait till part 3.